Alright guys, so today's video is going to be quick as I possibly can make it and straight to the point. So this is a highly requested video from, I'm going to say, my friends and family. But it is long overdue and I've been trying to make this video forever, and I finally got around to just go ahead and making it because today was a snow day and my job decided to close and I didn't have, and like I had so much free time. So here's your video. This video is for people who got too many pictures in their phone and not enough memory. This is for people who don't know what to do with their pictures because they ain't got enough memory and they can't, and they always get a notification that says storage full, too many pictures, delete some photos, whatever. If that is something that happens to you all the time, then this video is for you. Share, add, tag a friend, tell your girl, look, stop deleting photos, stop paying for iPhone storage, stop playing. I don't even use the cloud on my phone. What that tell you? So if you're trying to reserve space in your phone for all those millions of selfies you be taking, and then you only choose 3, then you definitely want to follow these steps. So go ahead and check out this video right here. Alright guys, so this video is for all my friends that's been asking me how to have more space on your iPhone without having to keep on buying iPhone storage and buy all these gigs of memory. So first, before I show you anything, most people probably already have their camera filled up with pictures and they're not going to even be able to download any apps. So the first thing I want you guys to do is go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and you see all your apps. And I want you to do is, you see my Instagram is probably about the most right now. I want you to offload. Hit offload on all your apps. Yes. It doesn't delete them. It just offloads them. And then you can reload them. All these offload. Next thing you're going to have to do is you need to go to the App Store. Type in Google, search for Google Photos. So make sure you got a Gmail account. Alright? So once you do that, first thing you want to do is, alright, open your Google Photos. And there's going to be a part up here at the top where there's 3 lines. Okay? Here is where you want to make sure that you are signed in to your email account. Okay? So if you already have Gmail on your phone, you're already going to be signed in. You can always add another account if you have other Gmail accounts. If you have a lot pictures, I would suggest making more email accounts. As you can see, I have a school one here. I have 3 other ones, and I got my husband's. You want to determine which one. You could do one for a year, one for 6 months, whatever. But you want to sync your photos to that account. Right now, all my pictures are getting synced to my school account. My school account, show you, has unlimited storage. So, school account, sign in at the top. Then you want to go to settings. Alright, first thing you're going to see is backup and sync, manage device storage, and all this other mess. The only thing that matters right now is backup and sync. Now if you don't have a school account like me that's connected to Google, you're going to have some limitations, and those limitations is 15 gigs. So usually up here it would say like 15 gigs or whatever. And if you want to free up space, you can easily free up space just like that. Alright, you guys, so that was a video. It basically showed you few main steps. Okay? 1, you need the Google Photos app. Okay? If you don't have enough space to download it now because of your pictures, you need to go through the process of offloading your apps. Just for this purpose, offload all your other apps so that you could download the Google Photos app, right? Then you want to make sure you attach your Google accounts, or even create some more if you ain't got one. Create a few Google accounts, or at least 1 or 2 to get you started, because Google accounts basically come with 15 gigs of space, which should be well enough. But you know, if you take 1,000,000 photos, then you're gonna love it. And then 2, you want to make sure that you are backing up your photos, not to every Google account, just to one account at a time. Okay? So I showed you guys the process of backing up those photos. And the last thing I want to let you guys know is, before deleting any photos from your trash and from your iPhone photo library, you want to make sure that you double check your Google Photos, make sure your pictures is there, and then go ahead and delete. Now, the 2 apps sometimes can look similar, but they don't look that similar where you're going to confuse yourself, okay? You have to be very vigilant. You got to be vigilant when it comes to trying to figure out how you can take 1,000,000 photos and then keep them all. I mean, you don't nobody want to be deleting photos from a birthday party or deleting photos from, Christmas. Keep them. Google's here for you. Google got you, boo. Anyway, so that was everything you had to do to save those photos. Like I said, I'm here for you every Wednesday, dropping a new video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, boo. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. All I want is 1,000 subscribers. If I get 1,000 subscribers, I might give away my 360 camera that I never touch, like, ever. So, I mean, let me get 1,000 subscribers so I can throw a contest, watch my videos, all that good stuff. Anyway, make sure y'all click on the bell, subscribe, leave some comments below. I don't care. Argue if you want to, but let me know what you think in the comments, and I will see you guys next week on Wednesday with another video. Deuces, I'm out.